Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to lock your Facebook profile, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. First, go to your Facebook profile. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-dot menu right here. Then, look for the Lock Profile option. Once you find it, just tap on it. Facebook will then show you some information about what happens when you lock your profile. So if you're sure you want to lock it, just tap Lock Your Profile to confirm. And that's it, guys. Your Facebook profile is now locked. This means that people who aren't your friends will have more limited access to the content on your profile, helping give you more privacy. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.